514 days ago, I started investing $5 a day into Vanguard's VOO. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how that investment has been performing for me. Guys, I love making these videos, and every time I make them, there's often someone that leaves a comment that says, hey man, investing $5 a day is not going to make you rich. It's not going to make a difference. So I don't even know why you're even taking this approach. And I always respond to them that you're absolutely correct. You're 100% spot on that investing $5 a day is not going to make you rich. But guess what it is going to do? It's going to show you that you can get started by investing small amounts of money into the stock market. And then secondly, you're going to be building that investment habit. I can't tell you, when I first started investing in the stock market and I started to see some gains over time, I then started to think, well, hey, if I go to lunch one day a week with my coworkers instead of going 4, then I have much more money that I can then use to invest in the market or use for whatever else I wanted. But it almost became kind of like a game after a while. You start to see those numbers go up, and then you start to look for new ways to find money to invest into your portfolio. If that has ever happened to any of you guys that are watching this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know, especially if you started investing over the past year or so and you start to see some movement in your portfolio. And then you start to think, you know what? I'm going to use some money from these other things that I don't need to invest. Now, speaking of building a habit, if you haven't had an opportunity to check out a book called Atomic Habits, I highly suggest that you check that out. It's a phenomenal book.